Hi, my name is Pop. This video in Ubuntu Basics is a tutorial about Sigil, S-I-G-I-L. It is an epub editor. I have a prior tutorial about calibre, and calibre is used to create epubs and mobis, and you can do quite a bit of work with calibre to make it come out the way you want to, but Sigil will allow you to fine-tune one line or one picture, one headline, and so forth. If you go to the Ubuntu Software Center and try to find Sigil, you will see that Sigil is not available. And at first glance, you might not even know about it. But this is one of those programs where you have to go online to get it. And I'm going to show you today how to get it and also how to install it, but not how to use it. If you go to Firefox and just type in Sigil, you'll find this really good tutorial. And this tutorial shows you in 3 lines using your terminal, your command line interpreter, how to get Sigil. And I am going to now show you the 3 lines and do it. Right here, this is line 1, and you're going to copy and paste this into the terminal and run it. And then here is line 2, and then finally line 3. And I'm going to go ahead and do it right now, and we'll see how long it takes. The first thing you do is open up your terminal with Ctrl-Alt-T, and the terminal appears in the screen alongside, and go to the first line and highlight it by left clicking and then moving your finger across the trackpad. And then when you get it completely highlighted, don't leave off the end on either side, go Ctrl-C, and that copies it. Then go over to your terminal, and you can't go Ctrl-V, but instead on a terminal you have to go Shift-Ctrl-V, and that pastes it. And then when you hit enter, it asks for your password, and then it installs it. And when you install it, you can go to the next line. And here I'm going to zoom in and go down to line 2, and this updates it in case there's been any changes. Ctrl-C, back to my terminal, Shift-Ctrl-V, enter, and that's updating everything on my computer to make sure that all of the repositories are okay. While it's doing that, I'm going to go back and zoom in and go down to line 3, and I'm going to highlight it, left click, cursor over. When I get to the end, Ctrl-C, that copies it, and I'm done in the terminal. Now I'm going to go Shift Ctrl-V and enter, and here it goes. It's being installed. Now after it installs, it will then appear, and you can load it anytime you want to. The Sigil program, and I'm not sure how to pronounce it, is free, and it's WYSIWYG. That is what you see is what you get, and you can use this to fine-tune an epub, one line here and one line there and so forth. As for this tutorial, which is a very good tutorial, it has been very clear and easy to understand. I was reading on the tutorial the name of the author. I wanted to give him credit for it, and actually I cannot find the guy's name. I may have overlooked it. To find this, you just type in Sigil, and perhaps you might need to put in install Sigil. Let's see now if or not this has popped up in my menu system. I'm going to go over to here and write SIG, and there it is. I've got Sigil. And when I hit enter, let's see if it pops up. And there it is. This tutorial is not going to show how to use it. I'll save that for another time. My name is Pop. I've got over 100 tutorials on YouTube called Ubuntu Basics, and I hope that this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I thank you very much.